Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the microphone muted on calls issue in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and here click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting it will fix your microphone muted issue in calls. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then the second solution is check if your phone case is covering your microphone or not. So if your phone case is covering your microphone from the bottom, then remove your phone case and clean your microphone, and after cleaning it will help you to fix the muted microphone on calls issue. But after all this, if you are still facing the same problem, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software, it will help you to fix small glitches in your previous software update. So that's how you can fix the microphone muted on calls issue in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.